okalo kanyo. So we should benefit first nikech stima modhi na jomoko is passing through our own land and one people are victims to this. Then another thing which Magpi has not been addressed properly.
Pionge Dandora.
Pionge Pilalga. Yeah. Pinyakalalga.
County.
Yeah, Pinyakalalga. And I don't know no lalga on which grounds, maybe breakdowns a pump or kagitimo cleaning, or I don't know.
Lal negitimo rationing, samori miyejo moko within the ward kinyi miyejo moko so lala completely.
Okay, onyalal completely entirely in the ward without giving us a notice. Ni ngenia nikech kaka piginego one people monego beti yogi just like steamer. Ka steamer lal the Kenya Power they always gazette ni ching makama they will blackout area makama. But when it comes to water, I think such things should also be told to the people, whereby kawan why expect ntie pima idingadi or piok di flow, so we should be told. Koro gima paro enia leadership mantie kanyo should make sure and kechuronia kata mana pimo bedo supplied, the pipes are not proper, leakages ntie and they mix up gi sewers mantie kondego. Koro in as much as people are taking up water, you don't need chemicals, moko, ions and all that contaminate PG. Koro most of us were just surviving by the grace of God. Nikech kongi honestly situations mwadake and all that contamination mantie kanyo.
Yes.
It is just by grace. Yeah.
Tusenyi so MCA mondo wugijo Kenya water.
Okay, MCA personally is a resident of that place. He should know what is affecting us. So there are things that someone should be left to see on his own or her own, of which if you represent people to take it more basic and crucial, you cannot articulate, then you are not for the people. Then another thing, things like bursary that do come from the county government. Most people, they don't get it. And if you have to get it, you have to buy it. In that, if the bursary is to be worth 5,000 or 10,000, you have to trade by giving 1,000 so that you get a surplus of 4,000 as the benefit. Mano is something that is happening and it is with everyone. And, yeah, and good. Mano is one qualification to earn bursary in that word. Then another thing, okay, wait, let me explain to you. Another thing, when bursary comes, you don't need people who are close allies of the leadership.
Yes.
Are the people who are giving. Maybe you don't think a mommy is someone who doesn't even have someone in school. Onge nyati, onge relative and all that. Because you don't need this person, because I made this bursary. They are the people who goes out to sell them to people. See? You get the bursary. Yeah, Kuromano is the way selling. Yeah, selling comes in. You know. Kaka koro in, you are a friend of mine, or you worked for me to get the seat, or we have family ties and all that, come from the same place and you survived for long, like that can be the case. You don't need koro, anyakata me two of them, kech, gin basaris michi was awards. Koro kose me, Tony kech, you have nothing to do with it. You go ahead and sell it. You see? Koro mano is something that has happened time and again. And rumors has been going around, which we are yet confirming, that for the females who have to get the bursary, they have to serve the leadership sexually. You see?
Exchange video.
Yes. Koridonia, if those women go there, mokolabda, mapod sawa and all that, more attractive and all that, they will demand for sex. And if you can comply, you'll get it. Koro, such are the things that you can call him and is like
watch me Nairobi time na ino Robert makawo poni obiro kaende kada kwelu ndi mondo mi justify to ibinyisa maber ni Jeff was justify kendo watch na chela.
Yeah, but whatever
mose kale watch me chalo kamano
good
ber kawa ngeyo game kelo minsa ni Jeff
evidence is there
and nyalo wacho ni kaka utefambo kuma nyalo tiyo kod weche awinjo wadwaro ni kosegik ma itimo nonro ma ibiro kod evidence wabro bet piny bro wacho ni mind ino timore ne chieng mind ino timore ne nyango kapok ochopo kanyo wawere gi wach ne roweti kode kaka hearsay.
Okay, iwo maber lakini adwa koni one thing, because leadership is a political thing.
Yes.
Politics, rumors must always confirm later that they were true. Based on that, we can give it a benefit of doubt, and we can say that victims quite narrowed down Nicaragua follow up. We must get, and that's why anything, okay, wherever there is smoke, fire must be burning. Yeah, Koro it can be an accusation mondo nyinge kethgo, but mano not the
mano
case.
bro chope ka seche gwe ko chopo nyisa ni MCS masani eri counties duto ma osebedo katiyo tije gen representation, legislation kachiel kod oversight kaindi MCS osebedo ka nindo koni kod kocha samore go dhogi bodi nyiso gi mondo kik giter government to task county government in ka oponi oyieri wach mar mibadhi e serikande mag gwenge kachiel kod tije mar oversight rango kaka serikal mar gwenge tiyo kod omenda maru ibro neno ni otim e yo machalo.
Okay, penjo maber. Koro the first thing madwa wacho en ni piny kanyaka losi, anything that has to be dealt with as a vice,
Yes.
in terms of corruption, dictatorship, and maybe tribalism, nepotism, and all that, gin gik ma must be dealt with written laws. Koro that's why legislation comes in.
Yes.
So by any chance I get my entrance into City Hall,
Yeah.
the first thing that I must do is to bring forth some bills. Then I lobby so that when they are passed, it can help the common person. Like the first proposal that I'm going to do
Yes.
is that when you come to distribution of resources in the entire county, you find every ward has the same budget, regardless of the location.
Because they need smart.
Yes.
Koro gen gi same location.
Good. Their location is
Sigolo
their location is uniform.
Maokrang ni jogi dwaro pi jogi
Good,
dwaro
good.
jogi dwaro.
Yeah, they don't care who needs much and who does not need much. So even okay, like for the situation of the slums, like
Yes.
Dandora is a slum, Kibera is a slum,
Yeah.
Madare and many others. For the first thing that I must do when I get there is to put the legislation in place after lobbying, so that within the county bylaws,
Yes.
ntie a rule machuni 80% of every resources, be it TJ mayudore kata mana allocation in terms of funding and all that, dockets, mark health, bursaries and all that, much should come to the slum areas, whereby the proposal is going to stand at 80% of the slums against 20 to these people,
Yes.
which are living in developed areas. If you look at these other places, there's nothing to develop. They just need some small finances to maintain their infrastructure and any other thing that can come up. But in our area, in fact, we can say we are not in part of Nairobi, we are like the rural part of it. Because if you see at the situation that we are undergoing, the lifestyles and where we are living,
Yes.
it is not worth it. Koro, Gima propose any resources propose mobiro mangeny, of which I know most wards around, they are undergoing the same thing. Then that can be logical enough regardless of which affiliation or government you are in. Koro Mano will bring it to a situation whereby when there are positions for watching labda one girl for chiel, then 800 is secured for these common people. So at least they are cautioned within the constitution. They have been cautioned against poverty and all that. At least their share is there. Is written in law. And if any governor by any chance comes in, it does not matter which MCA is quarreling the governor and what. Kataka Kinduraj, it is legislated. It has to take place and you have to obey. Failure to which actions will be taken.
Erokamano Nyatula, nyisani ang'eyo ni sani eri oganda mopogore opogore osechulo omenda mag nomination ne duond od buche ma gintiere. Nyiswa ni in kod geno mane? Iparo ni nomination ibitim kod duond od bura, in gi duond od bura mane midhi godo?
Okay, an kana chung mondi, I'm a diehard of ODM.
Yes.
Kendo it is flowing in my blood and it is the place to be.
Koro ni ichulo omenda ni mar nomination na ODM.
Okay, omenda na chulo ma nomination ODM,
Yes.
cast to live membership be nasi apply, mana nasi be declared. I have it. I'm a party member. I'm a live member of the party.
Iparo nade kod weche nominations. En kuom mane manyalo bedo godo ni party to un kaka joma chung kaka aspirants. Un ubed gi geno mane kaka otimnu nominations.
Okay, nominations, everyone is expecting that it will be a fair playground, whereby whoever has the majority
Yes.
will carry the day. But issues have been there before which the party has dealt with properly, in that they have put some time frame. Like previously, nominations were being done when it is almost general elections. Koro issues could arise, it could not be solved because time is up. But for the first time, party will ensure it is done prior enough so that if there is anything that can come up,
Yes.
then it is solved amicably. Koronge defections and someone who is feeling that it's shortchanged in a way or it was unfair or biased can appeal, and they'll sit them down, then they look at the facts and evidence. Then if that has not conformed to whatever was laid down during nominations, then the winning candidate can be declared or it can be done again so that it is fairly done. Koro, for the first time, ODM is a party that has made aspirants to be confident that it is going to be done fairly. That's why most people have applied, they have presented papers, and they are feeling that if they are mighty enough in that they are popular, then the day will be theirs to carry it. Okay, and Jondora Fund 5 Nimanyalo wacho ni leadership masani should be given to someone who is popular based on agendas mantie. Nikech previously politics mosebedo kitimo has been swayed with money. Whoever has much money will carry the day. But that has since changed. Nikech most people who have gotten positions on such grounds, they are the people who have been very corrupt. Nikech Yodonia, because they entered there through bribing, of which bribing is an offense itself, it's corruption. They must practice it so that the end justifies the means, and even the means can justify where it fall. Koro, what I can say, for the first time, as I can see, Kakagik Mok are moving on the ground. People are looking for someone who can really represent them. Nikech, whatever is happening on the ground, any leadership man tie, okose konyodi. And in fact, everyone across is saying near one Dandora, one chin, one Dandora, one chin, and that has gone deep down. AG, Makendo Koro, Engima Miojelit. Koro, Angima Nyaloacho, Enia, elections kitimo to ngata ma popular ma resonate well gigik ma jopiny dwaro should carry the day and should be the people's candidate. Otherwise, Aguero kamano kuom time mumia nyaka chieng' wachoka rom odiochieng' machielo. Nyajorate, I wish you holiday maber, nyaka wanere next year kwa the nominations. Let us work together without nioni who is what age, ngamwa kanye and all that, ngamwa cho which language and so forth. Koro mano e wacho manya ngwenu wosani bergo diochieng' maber, Nyasaye mondo bed kodwa nyaka chieng' machopo.
Gweno kamano kuom kawo thuolo mari mar chopo achiel kachiel e TV kiwuok kod oganda mawuok Dandora Fund 5. Maendi en kijana ma bende pod en rawera matin madwaro mondo ochung' ne oganda mondo omi telo maber ema kelo dongruok ne oganda duto through kaindi. Kuku mar wache Jeff Mbaka.